how to edit a thank you page on Wix.com. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to edit a thank you page on Wix.com. So without much ado, let's get straight to the video. The first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Wix.com, and once when you log in, you will be redirected here on this homepage or dashboard page. From this dashboard page, you need to click on edit site and open this website that you're working on. Here, let's add a page first. So we're going to click on this, and then we're going to add another page. Anchor drop down block, new new page, blank page, and this page has been added. Now this is the new page. We can call it a thank you page. Done. We can see if we can get a template, services, projects, contact. Okay, we don't have it, so we do want to create a contact. It's right here. Okay, the contact page is right here because the contact page is going to be very helpful later on. We can just put it down right here. The thank you page. We can delete this events page, hide from menu. We can put contacts page right here. Right here. Here you go. Here you go. And we can come here to this thank you page, which is at the moment empty. And here we need to add text. We can go with thank you for your support. It seems more interpersonal and uh, motivating for the customer. So here you go. So this will be the page. This is our thank you page, and this is the way you actually make a thank you page. Now you need to go here on contact. Okay, so the contact form is right here, and the contact form and thank you page are interlinked. I've made these two pages interlinked here. You can see it's right here. So whenever a person will fulfill this, the person will land here on this thank you page and will be good to go. We can just open it again, show in menu. So whenever a person will fill the contact form, they'll be redirected here as thank you page. And this is coming back to the thank you page. This is how we make, build, or edit a thank you page. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.